How do you actually find the leads that you get from Meta or Facebook lead form ads? Hi, my name is Regitze Simonsen from Greatest Marketing Agency. I'm going to show you now how to find the leads because they're not so easy to find. You find them on Facebook itself in the Ads Manager. And I'm also going to show you how to transport them to MailChimp. So see you in my ad account. So now here I'm on Facebook, on my Facebook page, and you can find your ad account here under the 9 dots up in the top right corner menu. Click that and go down to Ads Manager. So now I'm in my Ads Manager, and there you see already it says on Facebook leads right here. You click that. Then it's actually going from the campaign level to the ads level here. And then you just click it again. And click download. I just want to show you, you can also hook up your CRM if you have a CRM. So it's automatically transferred to your CRM if you have a CRM that works with Facebook. Otherwise, you can use a connecting tool like Zapier or something like that. But I'm just going to download it. So click download. You can download it as a CSV file or XLS file. I'll just pick XLS. Save it on your computer. Open it. And there you have it. We can go to the end of it. It has all this information about the ad that we don't need really. But here's the email addresses and the names. So I'm just gonna copy all of it. Copy them. And then go to MailChimp. That's my email service provider. You can have any other one that you want, but I'll just show you how it works on MailChimp. So you are here under audience, then all contacts, and then you click on add contacts and import contacts. And then you click on this one, copy paste. You can also upload a file or import from another device. Copy paste and then continue. And then I just paste it in here, what I just copied. Click continue to organize. And then I always click this update any existing contacts, so that if you already have one that is already registered in your email, when you already have their email address, then it's not going to be copied, so you're not going to have the same person twice. And then continue to tag. And then you can add any kind of tag to it. I'll just call it Facebook lead ad. Continue to match. It doesn't recognize all these numbers from the ads, but we don't need those. So just go to the end, and that's where we have the email address. It recognized that, but it didn't recognize this one that is the name. So we can put it in manually. This is the full name. So pick that, click confirm. Now it knows it's the full name, and then finalize import and complete import. So now you can start a campaign or just view the contacts. import more contacts. So that was it. Thanks for watching. Comment below if you have any questions. Give me a like if you like it. Subscribe for more, and share it with anyone who could find it useful also. And also down below we have some free downloads. There's a free Facebook ad template if you want to do your own Facebook ads. And we have a free ebook, Mastering Social Media Marketing Strategies for Coaches and Consultants. That's more about organic marketing. And if you're a coach or consultant and you want more leads and clients, and we specialize in getting clients for coaches and consultants, so you can book a call with me to learn more about it. There's a link in the description. Right now we have an offer where you only pay us when you actually get a paying client. But we won't have this offer for forever, so book a call now to learn more about it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.